So, you are curious to see, did we make any money with the social trading? Actually, I am too. So let's get to it. But before I do that, if you like to start with Pocket Option to do what I am doing, you find link below the video and you can get started today. If you deposit more than $100, you will get 50% extra. And old story, if you have accounts from before, close it down, reopen new email, deposit uh, deposit $100 or whatever you had in your account, and you get 50% extra. Okay, and you help me out also because I get a small fraction of what you're making. So now let's see. So me check, we have yesterday we did choose 2 for social trading. Let's go to the list of copy trades. Looks like we are losing money with this Benedict. Yes, she have been losing money today. So that's not good. Copy statics says 0 yesterday. Let's take all time. So we have lost money with this person, $192. I think that's enough that I would like to remove this person. So we stopped that one. Okay, let's check this one over here. This one here we are actually making money with, so we stick with this one for now. Then I think I would like to see if we can find ourselves another one to copy. Let's top trade is for 24 hours. Let's try one half good one here now. This time let's take one without the picture. Let's take this one. All time, okay. Looks like no, this I don't want to copy because we can see that he's very new. I don't trust when people just come in. Here we have 3000 trades. This sounds better. Let's see. Ah, but he did everything today. I don't trust when I see that you just come in and you trade. No. Let's find someone that okay, 96 trade, 33. Okay, but he lost $500 yesterday. 5,000 total. I think we stay away from him. Let's check this one. Okay, made some profit today. Let's take all time. 2,856. Okay, I think we can try this one here. Let's go back. The average trade, let me see. Max trade 500, mean trade 50. Okay. Let's do like this then. Let's copy mean trade amount. Let's do that to 5. Let's do it 500 like him. 100%. Let's try that. Can be a little scary. 500. Let's take a stop balance. I see my balance is let's say 53,000 just to be sure, so we don't go too crazy here. Let's say 50. Let's give them a little wrong. confirm that. Then we have him in our list. Let's find one more. Let's try this one. All time. No, he's a new trader. We stay away. Let's take all time right away. 67. Okay, he's a careful trader. Yeah, he don't trade so much every day. And looks like he managed to make some constant profit. He mean trade, okay, but he trade quite hard. But let's do the same. 734, okay. 750. Mean trade, let's put it to 1. We do the same. 50,000 with 10. We confirm it. Okay. Then we have 3 people. A little more exciting today. We are going a little harder in, as you can see. We have now 3 people and we are copying a little harder. So tomorrow either I will lose a lot, or we maybe go more or less to 0, or we win a lot. This will be exciting, because the last one I did remove, as you can see here. Yeah, you can see it here. He did not do that well, as you can see. We were losing almost $200 with him, but it's okay. We are going to make it back with the new ones now. Like I said, I'm not going to be giving up this time. We are going to really take our time to find the correct people to copy. Actually, I think I regret a little my settings. I think we're going too hard. Let's go harder. When we let me see. Let's put that to 25%. I think that is safer. Let's do that on this one also. And let's change it for 25%. So we don't go too crazy. And we'd rather we go in and trade harder when we see that what they're doing is making us money. Let's do that. I think that is a safer way, and then we see what we can do later. When we see they're constantly making me money, we can go over to take 100% of their trades. For now, we copy this tree and we will update maybe later today or tomorrow how this is going. So this will be exciting. We are going to find the correct people. If you want to copy the same people like me, probably you should wait and see how they work out for me. This is the tree I'm copying right now. You can see I have done this in the past also. Some successful, some not so much. But all in all, you see, for example, this one lost me $4,000. This one $2,000. So of course you need to be careful. That's why I did change my mind about these two. Not copy 100%. Let's take 25% of what they're doing, so we don't go too crazy, and we need to follow. That's the thing. Like you see, we lost 192 on this one yesterday, so we need to be careful. Most people are losing money when they're trading by an option, but we need to find these few people that can be constant for us and be more like our slaves and work for us and make money. So that's it for this video. If you like this type of videos also, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you're this far in the video, thank you so much, and sign up with my links below the video, and have an amazing day.